Today we're going to be unboxing our B12, which is our most popular scooter on the market. People just seem to really love the B12. I think it is the 12-inch wheels, which makes it a really comfortable ride, and also it's got its dual hydraulic brakes as well, which means it's really safe for our users. And now that people are using electric scooters as modes of transport, safety, reliability, these things are so important, and the fact that it looks really cool is also a big help. Now, let's show you what's in it. Let's do the unboxing. So inside your box, you're going to have your scooter, obviously. And it's going to come in one piece, okay? It's also going to come with a little toolkit. The toolkit has in it an Allen key set. That is something that we will be using in a couple of minutes to attach the handle to the stem. It also comes with a wrench and a screwdriver, which I'll cover in a later video. Tucked in up here in the front, we have the charger in this box, which is going to come in handy. It's an electric scooter, and also your user manual. The only piece that is needed to be assembled is to connect your handlebars to your stem, and that's what we're going to use the Allen keys for. So on your Allen key set, it is the size 3.5. And you're going to open these 4 nuts at the top of the stem. Now you're going to get the handlebars and you're going to bring them around and put them in place. And I always find it better to do this while it's still in the box, okay? When you have it in place, you want to get this little mount, and you just need to put it between the light fittings, and then get your 4 nuts, Allen key, and now tighten the nuts. There we go. The stem is connected by a leather strap to the base. Now we're going to get up and we're going to lift the stem. Once the stem is in place, we're going to get the latch and we're going to connect it. Make sure you hear that noise, make sure it's all the way in. For when you want to release it, then you push in the red button, pull back your latch, and that's it. It is so simple. So the next thing you need to do is check the tire pressure in the front and rear tire. We highly recommend using a pump with the dial so you can clearly see what pressure your tires are at. We advise that they are checked every week to 2 weeks, depending on how often you use your scooter. But it's very important to get the longest time out of each tire to keep them pumped to 40 psi. So now we've got the scooter out of the box. Next thing we're going to do is check that the wheels are spinning and that the brakes are working. I've got the scooter on its kickstand. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to lean the scooter towards me and spin the rear wheel. The rear wheel spins okay. So now I'm going to spin it and I'm going to press my lever. The lever is pressed, wheel isn't moving. Now I'm going to check the front. So what I'm going to do is you're just going to lift the stem, spin the wheel, wheel spins okay. Grab your front lever, the scooter's not moving forward, the brake's working. So I've checked that the wheels are spinning freely, good, and both brakes are working. So last but not least, we're going to turn the scooter on, and we're also going to run through what's on the actual LCD. So I'm going to fold it down because I've got it on the table, but for you at home, it's going to be on the ground. You're not going to have to do this. You're going to be standing over it. The top button you have on the panel is the power button. You hold that down for 3 seconds, it turns the scooter on. What you're going to see on the screen on the right hand side, it's all self-explanatory. You're going to see the or the battery level. You're going to see the speed. You're going to see the distance at the bottom. And on the left-hand side, you should see the number 1. There's 3 different power levels, okay? So by pressing the I button, that will take you to power level 2. Press the I button again, it'll take you to power level number 3. 1, the lowest power, lowest speed. 3, the highest power, highest speed. While you're here, hold down the I button. That turns on your front light and your rear light. Hold down the I button again, turns them off. Hold down the power button and it turns off the scooter. Okay? One last check. We also have brake lights. When the panel is turned on, press your brakes and your rear light should flash. So we've unboxed the B12, we've set it all up, we've made sure it's all in good working order and it's ready for you to scoot away safely. Thanks a million guys for watching. If you've got any questions, you can find us online, atev.com, or on our social media, atev. Keep an eye out for further videos. Thanks for watching again. Safe scooting.